Do you know that sodium bicarbonate, generally known as baking soda, is frequently used in baking due to its leavening qualities? This indicates that baking soda raises dough by releasing carbon dioxide. One of the most frequently overlooked household products is baking soda. It is primarily used while making cakes and cupcakes, and is rarely used for cooking. However, did you know that the white powder in the back of your refrigerator is much more than just a leavening agent and has numerous health advantages? Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 6 unexpected health benefits of baking soda. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. Now let's begin. 1. To treat heartburn. Heartburn is a painful condition in which your stomach may feel like it is burning up toward your throat. Acid reflux is a disorder that results in acid from your stomach flowing back into your esophagus, as the name acid reflux would suggest. Stress, overeating, and eating particular foods that your body might not like can all induce acid reflux. The good news is that you may be able to halt the symptoms of heartburn with something as basic as everyday baking soda, even if this sometimes results in an unpleasant and uncomfortable experience for people who frequently have to deal with acid reflux. 2. As a mouthwash. Baking soda can be used as mouthwash to combat foul breath. An excellent complement to a regular oral hygiene regimen would be this. Baking soda cleans areas of your mouth that brushing could miss, such as the tongue, gums, and corners of your teeth. Swish as usual after mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda with warm water. 3. Best hand softener. Simply put, using baking soda and warm water as a scrub can allow you to clean and soften your hands, as well as keep them free of grime and unpleasant odors. 4. Deodorant. The lack of an odor in human sweat is unexpected. It doesn't smell until germs in your armpits respond to it. These microorganisms transform your perspiration into odor-causing acidic waste products. By reducing the acidity of the odors, baking soda may be able to get rid of the perspiration smell. You may change the way you smell by applying baking soda to your armpits. 5. Baking soda to soothe your skin. Summertime hikes through the wilderness are the most soothing until you arrive home and discover you're covered in itchy mosquito bites. Try soaking the affected region in water mixed with a couple of cups of baking soda to help alleviate itching from bug bites, bee stings, and other sources. 6. Baking soda help your kidneys. Baking soda may be able to improve your health by halting the advancement of chronic renal disease, a crippling condition that targets your kidneys and causes them to gradually lose function over time. According to some research, this illness can be prevented by using baking soda. It is crucial to maintain healthy kidneys since they filter your blood and keep it free of extra waste, which is how your kidneys play a crucial role in the functioning of the rest of your body. That's it for today, folks. If we left out any health benefits of baking soda you know of, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.